Looking for a high-yield, low-maintenance investment in one of Gauteng's most strategic nodes? This is it. In today's market, finding an asset that combines real-world convenience is key. We are presenting a turnkey investment opportunity, a secure, modern one-bedroom apartment designed for the discerning investor. Let's talk numbers. Your investment starts at just 850,000 Rand. With a projected rental income of 8,500 per month, the gross annual rental is 102,000 Rand. This gives you a compelling gross return on investment of 12% annually. But this is more than just a number. This 56 square meter apartment is a premium product. It features low maintenance, high gloss porcelain tiled floors throughout, and elegant tiling all the way to the ceiling in the bathroom, ensuring durability and a modern finish. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Secure an asset that works for you. For serious investors, the time to act is now.